typically what we would think of for carrying costs might be those expenses that are going to happen all the time. So, such as the property taxes. The farmer would be fortunate on this property in that the nonprofit that owns it has a very minimal tax bill for this property, and so they're willing to pick up, I think, the cost for most of that. The price of water, price of electricity. Obviously, if someone's going to have internet access, that's going to be a carrying cost. So it's important that the farmer understand what the carrying costs are going to be for a property. As I said, some of the conservation practices may have carrying costs associated with them as possible.